Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com, and in today's video, we're diving into the world of wireless audio with the BOYA 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system. If you've been on the hunt for a reliable, affordable, and ultra-compact wireless microphone, then this might be the one for you. From its specs to its performance, I'll do a complete walkthrough and step-by-step tutorial on how to set this mic up and get the best audio quality from it. Now, really quick, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you found me. Here you're going to find step-by-step tutorials and reviews aimed to help you become a full-time digital creator. If you get any value out of this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Doing so helps me keep this channel going and growing, and it also allows you to stay up to date with all of the web and tech trends that are happening throughout the year. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. All right, with that being said, let's take a closer look at the BOYA wireless microphone system. First off, I want to thank BOYA for sending me this mic. I'm a huge fan of their products, but please know that I'm not biased. We're going to take a really close look at this mic to make sure it's worth your hard-earned money. Okay, so BOYA keeps it simple when it comes to their wireless setup, which I appreciate. This makes getting started less stressful because it's super easy to figure out and get started. As you can see, out of the box, there are only 3 components. First, we have the microphone. Comes with a detachable windscreen and adjustable clip. It also has muting and noise cancellation features, as well as a charging port. And we'll go over all of this in greater detail in just a few moments. Next is the USB-C to USB-A cable. This is used to charge the mic, which I'll show you how to do in just a bit as well. Next, there's the receiver, and this is what you'll plug into whatever you want to connect the mic to. This particular unit has a USB-C connector, so it will connect with anything that has a USB-C port. This basically acts as your cable, but instead of the cable, it provides a wireless connection to the mic. I should also point out that they have another version of this mic and receiver that connects to iOS devices using a lightning connector like an iPhone or an iPad, but I'll link to both mics in the video description below. Next is the user manual, and I highly recommend checking this out before you start using the mic. We'll go over everything in this video, but the user guide is still a great resource. Then finally, I'm using my MacBook Pro to charge the mic and record the audio. So since my computer only has USB-C ports, I'll be adding an adapter, which I purchased on Amazon for about $20, and that will allow me to connect the USB-A side of the cable so that it essentially turns into a USB-C cable. This is what I'll use to then plug into my Mac and charge the mic. And speaking of that, let me show you how to charge the mic. So when you first get it, you'll probably need to charge it. And you could tell whether or not it needs to be charged by turning the mic on. Simply click and hold the on-off button located on the side of the mic for 2 seconds. Then if you see a flashing blue and red light, that means it needs to be charged. So I'll plug the cable into the mic first, like so. Then I'll plug the other end of the cable, which is using the adapter I connected a few seconds ago, and I'll plug that into my MacBook Pro. So at my computer, I'll plug it in really quick. Then as it charges, the light on your mic should be static red. But as soon as the red light shuts off, that means the mic is fully charged. And typically on a fully charged mic, you'll get 9 hours of battery life. Alright, next let's go over how to set up and use the wireless mic and receiver. Okay, once the mic is fully charged, the first thing you'll want to do is plug the receiver into the device that you want to transmit the audio to. Again, I'm using my MacBook Pro to capture the audio coming from the mic, and then I'll record that audio on GarageBand. Then when you turn on the mic by pressing the on-off button for 2 seconds, the transmitter and receiver should be successfully paired within 10 seconds, and you can tell they're working when both display a blue light. Next, take the mic and clip it to your subject. And as I mentioned earlier, the clip on the mic is adjustable, making it super easy to position the mic at different angles and connect to various types of clothes and collars. And just like that, you have wireless audio. This means that I'm not confined to my studio desk. Now that I'm wireless, I can go outside. So with that being said, let's take this to my backyard. All right, here we are in my backyard testing the wireless mic out here in the field. And I have to say that after coming outside and testing it out, this stands up to some of my $600 mics. And I'm sure you could hear some noise going on in the background. My house sits on a pretty busy road, but that's when the noise cancellation feature comes into play. There is a little blue button on the side of this mic that if you press it once, green light comes on and that indicates the noise cancellation, and it will cancel out the background noise. And I'm sure you can hear or can't hear the noise of the traffic behind me, but if we turn it back on, you can see the difference. Or I should say you can hear the difference, but either way, pretty happy with it. And again, the quality of this, I am outside in my backyard. Nothing is connected. I do have the receiver connected to my laptop out of frame here, but again, really happy with the quality of the wireless mic. Now, really quick, I am about 10 feet away from the camera. Let me take a stroll back about 10 more feet and you can hear the difference. All right, so here we are about 20 feet away from the camera. Again, the sound quality, I think it holds up to my $600 mics, so you really can't beat it. For $30, you get good sound quality. Again, I'm sure you can hear that background noise. Let's do the noise cancellation. There's a motorcycle going by. And I'm sure you could probably get a little bit of that noise in the background, but this noise cancellation feature really does a great job of knocking that out. But again, really impressed with this, and I have no problem recommending this to you guys. All right, that wraps up my review of the BOYA 2.4 GHz wireless microphone. I've been genuinely impressed by its performance and quality. When you consider the affordable price tag of just $29.99, it's pretty astonishing to see how it holds up, especially when there are other wireless mics out there costing upwards of $500. So for those of you on a budget or even just looking for a reliable wireless mic without breaking the bank, I have absolutely no hesitation in recommending the BOYA wireless microphone. And remember, I've linked to both the USB-C and Lightning versions of the mic in the video description below, so check them out when you get a chance to see which one works for your particular setup. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're thinking about starting a blog, you got to check out my step-by-step tutorials. They'll show you everything you need to know in order to build, grow, and monetize a professional WordPress blog. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.